Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to edit photo name on Android. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the gallery app on your Android phone, scroll through, and then locate the photo you want to edit. Then select the photo whose name you want to edit. Now to edit the photo name, locate and click on the information icon on the photo navigation. Then locate and select edit. Then you should see the photo name. Go ahead and delete the existing photo name and then type in the new name. Locate and click on save once you type in the new name, and that is it. Then you should see the new photo name changed, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to change photo name on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.